Welcome to this video on solving equations involving brackets. So this is the question we're going to have a go at first. So this equation is telling me to take my value, add 1 first, because if I follow BIDMAS, that is the brackets first, then multiply it by 6 to get my answer of 18. Just like we've done in the previous two videos, I'm going to undo those two things. So instead of timesing by 16, I'm going to divide by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. If I divide by 6 on this side, those two bits cancel out, and I'm left with e plus 1. I'm then going to undo the plus 1 by subtracting 1 from both sides. So 3 take 1 is 2. They cancel out to leave me with my e. Let's have a go at another one then. So this time we've got 5a subtract 8 equals 80. Now this one looks slightly different. There's no time sign. What you need to remember is there's an invisible little time sign in there. Now you've got two options with this question. One, you could expand the brackets, or you could solve it like we did previously. I'm going to show you both ways, and then you can choose which one you want to follow. So if we do the method we just previously did, this is telling me to take my value, subtract 8, times it by 5 to get my value of 80. So that's what I'm going to undo. I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. So 80 divided by 5 is going to leave me with 16. If I divide by 5 on this side, then it cancels out, and I get left with a take 8. I'm now going to undo the subtract 8. I'm going to add 8 onto both sides. On this side, 16 plus 8 is 24. On this side, they cancel out, so a is equal to 24. The other method you could have done for that question is to expand the brackets. Now remember, to expand the brackets, I need to do 5 multiplied by a and 5 multiplied by negative 8. So if I do 5 multiplied by a, that is 5a. 5 multiplied by negative 8 is negative 40. This is now the question I'm going to have a go at solving. So this is telling me to times 5, subtract 40 to get my answer. That's what I'm going to undo. The method is then the same as what we've done in previous questions. So instead of subtracting 40, I'm going to add 40 onto both sides. So this side gives me 120. This cancels out to leave me with 5a. I'm then going to divide both sides by 5. So on this side, I've got 5a divided by 5, which is a single a. And on this side, I've got 120 divided by 5, which is 24. A equals 24. Hopefully you found that useful. You can use either of the methods. Some questions might need one, some questions might need the other. Good luck!